Don't delay if the transformer makes abnormal noise. If you delay, it's easy to catch fire. A normal transformer only makes a steady and low-pitched humming sound, but once the noise increases, accompanied by harsh noises, this situation must be taken seriously. It may be caused by loose core or offset coil, or the internal parts generate resonance. And there is also a crackling and discharging sound. It means the internal insulation has been damaged. If not handled for a long time, the fault will worsen, which may result in frequent tripping and shutdowns, or even a direct short circuit and fire. During daily inspection, listen to the sound of the transformer running more. The cost is not high, and avoid safety accidents.